Instagram messages not sending? You're not alone, and we've got the fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a few easy ways to solve this frustrating issue. Stick around till the end because the final step is one most people overlook. First, let's start simple. Try restarting the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Instagram app to close it completely. Then reopen it and try sending the message again. If that doesn't work, let's check for updates. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, tap Search, and type in Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it. Outdated versions can cause all kinds of bugs. Still no luck? Try reinstalling the app. Tap and hold on the Instagram app icon, select Remove App or Uninstall and confirm. Then go back to the App Store or Play Store, reinstall Instagram, and sign back in. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss helpful tips like this. Now here's the last thing to check. Go to your browser and search Instagram Down Detector. If you see a spike in reports, it means Instagram itself is having issues, and you'll just need to wait it out. Once you've tried these steps, go back to your DMs and try sending a message again. It should go through now. If not, it's likely a temporary issue on Instagram's end. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you're still stuck, and let me know what tutorials you'd like next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes like this.